Hello and welcome back in this new video. Today we are back with another strategy. Today we will be learning about how we can collect emails over internet and promote our offers through that email. Okay, so let's get started. At first, come to your Chrome browser and search for email extractor. Install it. Okay, then now let's move on how we can collect email. Then what we can do, come to recruitin.net. Okay, you have to come here. After coming here, then uh, target the country according to your choice, wherever you are willing to promote. For this, I will select United States. You can include any location inside United States. Okay, so you will get targeted email. Again, how much, what is the degree of that person which you want, then which job title or person you want to collect email of. You can also do this. Again, for now I have chosen seeking. I am giving keyword of seeking. Okay, those who are seeking job, those who are seeking something, that means in their profile seeking is included, so I am looking out for those emails. Okay, just click here. You will get a link. Open in Google. After that, beside seeking you are able to see inverted comma. Give a space over there, and then again you give one inverted comma, and inside inverted comma write @gmail.com and just press enter. Okay, so these many emails we are getting here. You can see that it is 95 emails here we are getting. If you scroll down, then you will get more emails. Okay, if you scroll down, then you will get more emails. If you come to page number 2, yes, it's not displaying how much, 98 email. Again, if you scroll down page number 3, we are getting here 97 email. So what we will do, we will just click on this icon and then click on copy all and just paste it in your MS Excel. There are some email you need to delete them. Okay, now it's fine. Again, next, some email were there in page number 2. Okay, this many email. Page number 1, click here, select, and then just copy. I'm doing it fast. Let's delete this. I think we had not copied from page number 2. Okay, and then just select, copy, and paste over it to MS Excel. Okay, remove this, delete. Yes, this many email we have got now, 285 email. You can do as many as you want. Just if you replace the Gmail into yahoo.com and now search again, it will display related to Yahoo. Okay, now here it is 88 email. Click here, copy it, select and then copy, just paste over here. Let us remove this thing. Again, next page, page number 2. How much email are there? 86. Copy all and again paste over here. Page number 3. It's asking about 50 email. Click here, copy all. Okay, at first select and copy all, and then paste again. Okay, so now we have 543 emails with us, and we can promote accordingly our offers to these many emails. Okay, so our keyword was what? Seeking. So remember that you have to promote that offers only related to that seeking keyword. Okay, again let's move. So how we can clean? Some of these email are not good one, so we have to clean this email. Just copy it and come to another site, which is JITBit. Okay, which is JITBit. Paste all those emails here. Okay, and then just clean the list. This cleaning. So we had how many emails? We had 543 email. Yes, it has cleaned over some emails. For now it is 537, means 6 of the email it has removed. Now what we will do, we will copy and paste it here. Okay, so here is the clean email list that you have got now. Now whatever your offer is, but remember that this is the seeking related keyword we have searched, so try to promote those offers only. Yes, you will definitely get the result. You can use either GetResponse, MailChimp, Sendinblue. This they have a free plan which has some limited number of email you can send, so you can use those email autoresponder. Okay, so wish you all the best and good luck. Thank you for watching this video.